Down to about the 39, going to bring up third down and short.
Let's go, Alejandro! Get him!
Trying to gain the 37, ball at the 39. Third down and a deuce. And one more time up the left side. Number 40, Jalen Ward, down near the 30-yard line. You know what that is? That is a North Canyon Rattlers first down! So give Jalen a gain of 7 down to the 32. First down Rattlers as they chew the clock, already coming up on 9 minutes. 3 squared this time. And Scotty Coaches number 33 down near the 30. So ball put down at the 31.
Let's go, Alejandro! Get him!
Down at 9. And there's an oops.